Hello, today we're going to be doing a quick drawing of one of my favorite plants. It's called the Monstera Deliciosa, which is a really fun name to say. People also refer to it as a Swiss cheese plant because it just has all these holes in it. To begin, we're going to open a canvas that's 1080 by 1350. And I'm going to choose the 6B pencil from Procreate and create a new layer. And we're going to open up the canvas and turn on the drawing guide. To start, we're going to begin with the planter. So I want you to create a rectangular shape. And so that will begin with drawing out your lines, and you can hold it down to get that straight shape. And you can follow along with me here. If you want to do anything decorative on your planter, you can. I'm just going to add a little line here so we can add a two-tone color. And then next, you can add some dirt and kind of give this wavy line above here to show the dirt in the planter. And then also, I really like to give planters a little bit of height and interest. So start with a line across, and then we're going to create a new layer for the angled leg. So create that angled leg. And then what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate that layer that you created with it and flip it. Make sure your snapping guides are on and bring it over to the side. All right, you can merge those together. And then next, you're going to add a line in the center. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this photo that I found online of Monstera's leaves. So we're going to use this as reference. So I like to practice drawing out different shaped leaves, and then in the end, we can kind of montage and overlap them in the final piece. So let's begin just by looking at the different leaves and trying to get their shapes. So you can follow along and draw with me and use this image as your reference. Now this plant is wonderful because I love all of these curvy shapes that go in and out. And if you know anything about Feng Shui, Monstera plants are very good in Feng Shui because rounded plants give off growth and abundance. And because it's kind of a plant that grows upward, it's supposed to be very good for money. Now, I guess in Feng Shui, plants like cactus and aloe and yucca, those plants can be not so good for Feng Shui and I guess, are better kept outside. So whatever you believe, but the Monstera is supposed to be a very good plant for good fortune and luck, and keeping positive energy and chi in your house. So the next thing we're going to do is continue drawing the leaves. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to work on this leaf up here. And you can draw the line through, and if you want, there are these little side lines here that you can add, and you can also start drawing in some of the holes wherever you find it interesting. All right, now I'm going to work on creating kind of like a side leaf. And I'm going to do this one over here next, kind of at an angle. You never want to make your plant leaves all the same looking. It just gets really boring and it doesn't add as much visual interest. So like if you made one leaf and duplicated it and then used it over and over, I don't think there would be as much visual interest. So you really want to give each of these leaves, kind of like snowflakes, their unique originality. Okay, I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to do maybe one that has nothing going on. It's just going to be kind of a plain one because that you can't have them all be unique and original. Okay, so let's turn off our picture and let's pull all of these leaves off to the side so we can see what we're working with here. Okay, so now let's turn back on the base of our planter and let's think about how we want the stem. So I'm going to start placing these leaves in an interesting way that I think would work. All right, and then next I'm going to go in and create the stems connecting all of them and just bring those stems down. Now you always want to taper the top part of the stem so it's thinner. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try yourself and could follow along. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know.